Hi students, so welcome you all again. We were solving the problems on relations and functions from miscellaneous examples. Clear? In this, we have solved one of the problem in the previous class, that is, the relation f is defined by f of x equal to x square whenever x is in between 0 to 3, 3x whenever x is in between 3 to 10. And the relation g is defined by g of x equal to x square whenever x is in between 0 to 2 and 3x whenever x is in between 2 and 10. In this problem, we have shown that f is function and g is not function. So now let us continue with the second problem, that is, if if f of x if f of x equal to x square, then find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. Clear? That means in this problem they are asking you to find this particular term. Clear? They have given f of x as x square. Please make this note. F of x equal to x square, and you have to find f of 1.1. That means you have to put in the place of x as 1.1 and you have to calculate 1.1 square in the place of f of 1.1. In the place of f of 1, you have to solve 1 square, and here 1.1 minus 1 is going to be equal to 1. Sorry, that is 0.1. That you have to simplify. Clear? So from this, I think you got an idea of solving the given second problem, that is f of x equal to x square, and find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. Okay, let us solve this. See here, the given function is f of x equal to x square, and this you have to simplify. So f of 1.1 is 1.1 square, f of 1 is 1 square, and the divided by term, that is 1.1 minus 1, written as it is. So here you have to calculate 1.1 square minus 1 square. So 1 square will be 1. You can see that 1.1 square, this is going to be equal to 1.1 square is 1.21 and 1 square is 1, and this particular term is 0.1. Okay, so they have written by simplifying 1.1 square minus 1 square divided by 1.1 minus 1. So 1.1 minus 1, sorry, 1.21 minus 1 gives you 0.21, and divided by 0.1. This is okay. Here if you simplify 0.21 divided by 0.1, your answer is going to be 2.1. Clear, students? So it was a very simple problem. You have to simplify f of 1.1 minus f of 1. That's all. 1.1 whole square, that is 1.21, 1 square that is 1, 1.1 minus 1 is 0.1. You simplify this, it will be 0.21 divided by 0.1, that is going to be 2.1. Hence, your answer is 2.1. Clear? So, I will remove all these sketch points. Hence, therefore, this problem is solved. Now, let us go for the third one. The third problem is finding okay, see the third problem. Third problem is find the domain of function. That means you have to find the domain of function where f of x is given as x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 12. From this you have to find domain of the given function. So my dear students, whenever you are finding the domain, you have to understand one point, that is domain is always defined for the denominator. That means if this function has to be defined, the denominator must be not equal to 0. That means here you can see that x square minus 8x plus 12 must be not equal to 0. That means you have to find the points where this particular term is going to be 0, and you have to delete that points from your real set, that is real number R. Clear? So first you understand the problem very carefully. That is, they are asking you to find the domain. They are asking you to find the domain for this f of x. That means they are asking for which value of x this f of x is defined. Domain means what? For which value of x the complete f of x is defined. As we all know, if the denominator becomes equal to 0, this f of x is not defined. Are you getting my point? Because any term, you keep any box, that means you put any term in this box divided by 0 is always equal to not defined, is always equal to not defined. Hence, from this question, you have to solve for which value of x, x square minus 8x plus 12 is going to be 0, and you have to remove that points from your real number set. Clear? Okay, so let us try to solve this. Okay, this is the given function f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 12. Now I have to solve x square minus 8x plus 12. That means, see here, in this particular problem, we have to worry about x square minus 8x plus 12 because we have to find those value of x for which x square minus 8x plus 12 is going to be equal to 0. Okay, for that you have to factorize this x square minus 8x plus 12. After factorization, you are going to get x minus 6 into x minus 12, x minus 6 into x minus 12. That means for x equal to 6 and for x equal to 2, x square minus 8x plus 12 is going to be equal to 0 for x equal to 6 and x equal to 2. That means we have to remove x equal to 6 and x equal to 2 from your real number set. See that. That is, it can be seen that they are telling it can be seen that the function f is defined for all, see, for all real numbers except x equal to 6 and x equal to 2. Hence, the domain of f is, as I said, from the real number they are removing set of 2 comma 6. Clear? So that means in this real number set, there are all numbers other than 2 comma 6. Hence the domain is r minus set of 2 comma 6. So this is the required answer. Clear?